Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. We are looking at a weekly chart of Apple Computer, and we are seeing what could be the breaking down of a key support level here at 527. Now, we've talked about this in previous videos, but this is definitely worth looking at because if we see Apple break down through this, then I would say there's a very good likelihood if we break down through the 527 level that we should go down and visit the 428 level. So that really clears the way for a $100 per share drop, which is not a bad thing at all. So just it's really the value of this potential trading opportunity really has a lot to do with the fact that there's just not a lot of support underneath the current 527 support level. Now, we saw the market come down and trade on a weekly basis in the significantly undervalued valuation zone last week, and now this week we can see that we're trading now in moderately undervalued, but that's kind of to be expected here. I would say if we break down through the low of last week, which is going to be right at the 533 level, we should go right down to test the 527 level, and I think there's a probability that we're going to break that. So keep an eye on that as traders, and again, this could project to be a nice trade where this market could easily free fall down to the 428 level in a relatively short period of time. So it rallied, took call it about 5 or 6 weeks to rally from the 428 level to the 527 level, and markets typically fall faster than they climb. So there's a good chance this market could fall in an even shorter period of time, and that should be a fairly low risk trade. But again, we always want to use stops when we trade the markets, and in this particular case we're not necessarily entering at an attractive valuation level, although certainly intraday I would recommend trying to do that if you can. That's always the best option in my mind to reduce risk. But if we start to see momentum picking up upon a breakdown of this level, then that could be a trade we want to hop on and see if we can hit the target level of 428. That's all we have for this video. This is just a good potential trading opportunity, I should say, that has not escaped my notice, but certainly worth keeping in mind for all of you stock traders or short-term day traders in the stock market. Although this would involve a trade that's probably going to be held for several weeks to capture that full amount, assuming that this market does indeed do what we expect it to do. That's all for this video. Let's keep on watching Apple here to see what happens over the upcoming days and weeks. Thanks for watching.